Hello dears, this is Nancy speaking from Qingdao YICH Mechanical Technology Company. Now you can see the video. It is a model YICH DPSM 2500E. This is the CNC automatic paint spraying machine. This machine is specially used to spray, sealer, primer, finish coat on door panels to make the internal doors and externals. With the help of holding shaft, also can painting for furniture panel, kitchen cabinet doors, door and window frames, etc. They can not only spray the This machine is equipped with a dust-free room with an air inlet and exhaust system. If you use the PU paint, we also can equip with the water curtain for you. This machine can spray the PU, UV, water-based paint, NC, PE, AC paint, etc. Also can spray the laminating glue for PVC or wood veneer laminating doors, kitchen cabinet doors. If you have any interest and requirements about this kind of machine, welcome to inquire with us. Also, we have different kinds of painting machines. If you have some ideas about this, please contact us. Thank you. We are waiting for you here. This machine can paint two surfaces and full size of the door panel at one time. About taking 1.5 or 3 millimeters can paint one surface and full size of furniture panel or cabinet door at one time. Just contact us.